Okay, I have a quick question. Why does anime hair take 3 hours but still look like a dry mop? If you ever rage zoomed into a canvas thinking, why in the hell is this still so bad? Congratulations, you're normal. Today, I'll be showing you 5 big anime hair mistakes that quietly ruin your drawings and how to fix them using smart digital painting techniques that save time, not steal your lifespan. This is anime hair without suffering. Mistake number 1, drawing every single strand. That's right, here. This is the number 1 anime hair sin. Anime hair is not realistic hair. If you draw every strand, it becomes messy, hard to read, a nightmare to shade, and worst of all, it doesn't even look like anime. Why this happens? Beginners think more detail equals better art. Anime says no, but I'm here to help you fix it. Think in shapes, not strands. Anime hair is built using large graphic shapes. I use the big, medium, small rule. Big shape, overall hair silhouette. Medium shape, main hair, clumps. Small shape, tiny details at the very end. Notice how clean it looks already with less effort. Time saving bonus, big shapes equals faster drawing, easier shapes, cleaner line art. You're working smarter, not harder. Mistake number 2, flat hair glued to the head. If your character look like they're wearing a football helmet, we need to talk. Hair has volume. Every short anime hair is lifted slightly off the head. Why flat hair kills drawings? It has no depth, no life, and it looks unfinished. But I'm here to help you fix that. Float the hair. Draw circle representing the skull, then hair above it. Anime hair has never started directly on the scalp. There's always a small gap. You can think of hair like a fluffy hat hovering slightly above the skull. Digital shortcut that will save you some time. Instead of redrawing, put the hair on a separate layer, use transform, scale, gently expand outward. Boom. Instant volume. Zero pain. Mistake number 3. Random spikes equals chaos hair. This hairstyle has no thought, overly violence. Random spikes make hair hard to read, stressful to look at, confusing in silhouette. Why it happens? People design hair without direction, but hair grows from the scalp and flow outward. The fix, follow the flow. Before drawing hair clumps, draw flow lines. Where does the hair part? Which direction does it move? Why does gravity pull it? Now build hair shapes along those lines. Here's a saving time technique. Flow lines. Reduce, redraw, make hairstyles feel intentional, and help your designs faster. You're planning once instead of fixing forever. Mistake number 4, over rendering the hair. If your anime hair has more layers than a wedding cake, you're going too far. Overshading kills color, destroys clarity, and it takes forever. Unless this is your style, it's not really a good idea. Anime hair shading is simple on purpose. Only use base color, one shadow color, and one highlight color. That's it. Anything more is usually unnecessary unless you're one of those pros that know color theory like they know breathing. Digital painting speed hacks. Use clipping mask for shadows, soft brush for shadows, hard brush for highlights. Cleaner, faster, and more anime-like. And the last mistake of the video. Same hair for every character. If all your characters have the same haircut, they're not friends. They're clones. Why this happens? Redesigning hair feels hard, so people avoid it. But here's the secret. You don't have to fully redesign anything. Just change one: bang shape, hair length, part direction, and volume level. Even the hair color. Tiny changes equals huge personality differences. Time saving win: one tweak, keep your workflow fast, avoid burnout, make characters memorable, maximum impact, minimum effort. All right, let's recap. Let's summarize so your future self doesn't suffer. Shapes beat strands, volume beats flatness, flow beats chaos, simple shading beats over rendering, small changes beat full redraws. Anime hair is about clarity, not pain. If this video saved you some time, hit the like button. If you saved your sanity, subscribe. And if you ever draw hedgehog hair, welcome to the channel. Enjoy the rest of the video.